Wow. Yeah. Anna, you two for two?
It's an important place for every boy and girl. It's where you and your friends come to learn what you need to know in order to prepare for life and work. You don't just learn math and history. You learn how to be good citizens. And being a good citizen is something you learn not only
Are we on Oxenford? Whoever finds her gets to keep her.
in the hallway of the cafeteria. Because being a good citizen is a full-time job.
Did we just get dared?
Now you need to
Double dog dared.
stranger. Get your coat. Tell everybody what kind of bear.
I want to say something. I'm saying this with no expectations.